The Jet Propulsion Laboratory says that a small asteroid designated 2016 RB1 safely flew past Earth Wednesday, September 7, 2016, at 10:20 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, at a distance of about 25,000 miles, or just less than 1/10 the distance of the Earth to the Moon. Because the asteroid's orbit carried it below the Earth's south pole, it did not pass within the orbits of communication or weather satellites. 2016 RB1 is estimated to be between 25 to 50 feet in diameter. Asteroid 2016 RB1 was discovered on September 5, 2016 by astronomers of the Catalina Sky Survey, located at the summit of Mount Lemmon in the Catalina Mountains just north of Tucson, Arizona, a project of NASA's NEO observation program in the collaboration with the University of Arizona.